Marquee tool. The Marquee tools make rectangular, elliptical, single row, and single column selections. In selecting the shape of your Marquee tool, just simply right-click on the Marquee tool icon, then different Marquee shapes will be shown. This tool changes the area of your image that is affected by other tools or actions be within the defined shape. Holding the Shift key while dragging your selection restricts the shape to a perfect square or circle. Holding the Alt key while dragging the center of the rectangle to where your cursor began.